Hello. So, kinahanglan ko video nga maabot og balig usa ka oras. So, I need to do live in Facebook for a double purpose. Now, tagmangka. Lah, puting. That's weird. Look, ang house how to cut it out. Pagkuhay ko mata. Ikan lang ko natog. Then, ani. Kumita pa ko sa ba ito? Ablion. Di ba kung ganahan mo gamit ako chicken? This live will be up until 1 hour. Ay, di siya ayoko ans. Okay na deh. Philippine time, I think it's 8:31. Okay. Everyone is working. Trabaho pa ang mga people sa Pinas. Mangga bayot. Kaon og mangga. Why is it that I can see the one who's watching? What's wrong with my phone? Kung ano din apple mango. Ayan na. Naiina ni sa Pinas. I think this is from Mexico, I guess. So we'll have to cut 2 of this. Hello. Ano. Oy. Tagak. Ontag mangga. May ang hilaw ng mangga sa Canada. Pero like something's inside of it. Because I can hear the Buto-buto. I guess the liso is yung mangga dali sa Canada. Mango. It's available at Walmart. Another 2 mangoes. I'll cut the first one to make something noise. Hello, Carlin Carvajal. It's good morning in the Philippines. Thank you. Kaatik dyan na za. Uy, kagrabe nila mga Jud. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sure. What problema? Go ahead. Ay, palabi. Thank you. Mahurot imong load go. Tipira na. Agaw live kay I plan to have live kuan pa us ka oras. Kay need kong video. For 1 hour. Sige, go. Bye-bye. Oh, go, Curlin. Bye-bye. Iwas ka diha, Panikay-sikay sa go. Ay, kadagko. Hinangin lang ni kadagko. Ano may pagkaiwa? Awa naman kadimao. Ang gagmay yun. Kaya basta hindi ta kahilisan. Sana nga oras lang. Alas 8. My mom is not here too because she's in school working. It's Monday and everyone is busy in Pinas. Time for the mango. I like it when sayo kong maka-out, okay? Like I can do a lot of things. I didn't sleep when I went home. When I arrived home. pakjuao ka. Ikapoy ko. Payukan ka kung mata karon. So, hangga. Alright, so we got a lot of mangoes. So we'll have to do this. Clean it first. Let you throw it out. We'll have to make sauce for that. I have to ask a little Funke for this one. Where's my sudlanan for the sauce? Oh, that's so nice. It's chili. Crispy prawn chili sauce. Wow. Oh, that smells so good. Naglaway na uka. What's that? And then, butangan na to. Parang nga, oh yeah, but I have crispy prawn chili sauce. Kahalang. God, it's super chili. God. Take all that one. Kahang bayot. I need to milk. And asin. Wow. And also, I need asin and suka. No, a tiny bit of asin. Asin. Pastrana. Ako'y asin. Ano ka ani? Crispy prawn chili sauce. Super hana. Tara! I have to eat manga. Welcome to my room. Kanang buhong book. And mangata this time. Anyways, nakapanihapon naman sa ko. So, relax na oka. Agoy. Sa mangga. Gahilaw. Madyo gani kay na adiri asa. Kuan. Kinara. Pero kuan na sa kanang apple mango. Kuan na to. Bakit sagasin kay kuan? Asa kuan? So, nipis ra na siya. Uy, tawa. Kuan man ka lang. Gikatag man. Murason ba yun, no? Gikatag man. Gikatag ra na ako. Ana. Murag dili makita ang mga sauce. Saan naman ni? Agoy ni tarawas mama. Award ni ron. Wow. Mangga. Hoy! No, karon ra. Ala ha. Karon ra. Kamay lang na asin. Chili sauce. Asin. Hindi na. O ka makita. Red. Mata. Ana-ana gamay. Ana-ana. So, asin. Oh, gamay ra gud ni. Oh, tawa. Anja kani may arak. Magbuwa na mo og hasos kay wa man koy kuan kanang bagoong. So, kuan siya. Asa pangalan? Prawn garlic prawn chili sauce. Agoy, masayot ay. Go, nanganta. Makanya oras, off na ka. Agoy kahalang. Wala nagkarima ko. Ay. No, karon? Let's go. Ibriha ko ha. Ibriha ko kakawes dada. Aron dun isang kahalang dahi. Tawar ko. Arin lang kus asin, oy. Huh! Agbaba! Pwede pa.
Dili, close sila ron Sunday. Bernie Sabado na sila open. Wasa ka. Ang sa mangga. Medyo na pa ka. Yellow na. Bukan daghan na kagadugas din. Wala ka rin mga ujud. Kain, goddess. Mango with garlic, prawn, chili sauce. Because I don't have like bagoong. Kanidang sa. Halang kayo. Walmart. Available at Walmart. Pero ikaw lang. Ang hapon ako daan kay bangil. Very perfect. With all the sauces. Ag sili, grabe na ka na. Bye-bye. Hindi 2 minutes pa ang live. So, pabto na talaga sa ka-oras. I-share sa dayha. Agad ka lang. Duhag din kabuo ka mangga. Madungan nila yellow na. Ang usa hilaw-hilaw pa. Ang hilaw-hilaw may crunchy. Same maglasa ng tos Pinas. Ang mangga. Mura. Itong kuan. Itong apple mango. Mamara. I was about to, like, kaniya. I was planning, my goal was to palit og umbrella. So, umiarat na ko alas 3. Pack perfect at alas 3. Ang bus, i-check, wag mo check sa bus time. So, nilawasan ko, wat-wat ko bus. Pag wat-wat ng bus, dito pa ko nag-check sa time. Alas 3:45 ang giingon. Halayo pa man, akbang ko yung mga 10 minutes na ino na. Balik ko sa trabahoan. So, pag 10 minutes, exactly 3:40, ang gawas na ka. Ang ka-very good ang bus, maoy paglabay. So, nabiyaan o ka. Wais ko kasakay sa bus. Ang anghel nga si Josh, ka-very buutan nga Josh, ang kakuwat na lamang at kay sabay na lamang ko ni siya. Sumakat yun sa alas 4. Very good ko. Gahatod ko dito sa Walmart. Thank you so much. Pero wak ko nakapalit o payong. Because wala sila payong. When I check, they can only like have it delivered because it's online, only available online. Ay, nabuang. Anong kung kapag payo? So, ang buhat, kita mo ko na yung mangga. Kanya mang mangga. So, I just bought this mango instead of the umbrella. So, I was not able to buy the umbrella because they're only available online. There was an umbrella that cost like around $9, and then kuan man. So, anong online naman available. Taka-taka man ko. So, ano ito? Ano na palit? Second option was to go to dollar store in McAllister Mall, but then they close 5 p.m. So no, I just waited the bus. And then go home with my mango. Let's eat, everyone. Time check, Pinas. Oh, 8:57. My mom is working this time, so she can't see me. Mura kada post sa Facebook kay pagkaon. Amot na lang. Anyways. Lingaw raman po. Diba? Kada post sa well, it's for me to like talk. Okay, storage just by. So, I can talk it via live. Why not? Mahanga na ito yan. Mangga. Kung ano nga mangga ka ng Apple mango. Katumpuwa. O rin buk na horus masiguro ng asin nagkana na ba? Chili sauce. Ang sili. So yummy. So halang. Oh, I still have. I need to have a live for like 1 hour or more. Because I'm going to upload this to RT. I have to have it longer. And this is the only way that I can make a video like a longer one. Ay, may huwag pa rin ko ang pinito. Ito lang. Let's eat. Ano? Garlic prawn chili sauce. Kaya wala mo ko'y bagoong. Tapos siya kasi may bagoong pero ara kahala. Burhang. Let's eat. I think I've finished a lot. Gusto ka manggahan. 2 mangoes. Nakuan ka ng gusto ka apple mango. Hilaw o hinog-hinog. Very lami. Hi, Global. Ngita nang itaguan. Mga unta. Kita ta. Namay daghag mangga dira. Diri kanihit man. Usay ra inana ay inani. Kung ano, ni ka lang apple mango. Puwa og cover. Shout out ti an sa Tagamayahay, especially Bayla Jut. Bayla, hiro ba kayo sa English? Saan siya pa English? Dito na sa bahay I think na birthday na siguro sila. Birthday mama. Catriona Gray GD as Mayahay. Kasi Catriona Gray nila. Ako very, kuan mo dyan as well, a very nice na person. Kaya sa mami ato i-health ad ba? At ang magkakauras na ba yung video? 36 pa, layo pa. We still have a lot of time to talk. Pwede tayo mag-shout out sa tanan-tanan. Gaba naman akong mangga. Duwagon ka buok. Excuse me. Para dili maglain honti yan. Ang gibuhat nanihapon ko daan. Pakhabhab ko daag rice o sudan. Gipa cool down naghonti yan. Taon-taon mangga nagitira. Anak lang para mag-release the kraken na po ng kaunja. I-shout out mo ang mga ONB. Naamang po yung mga what's na. Uy, basig na anak po. Hoy, undoy. Shout out ko ng ostata. Ay, nagka-fiesta diha. O, nag-election na po. Busy pa man sa RH. Kontak ko na, nagkuan ba ito siya, nanguha ng idea as to what, unsay mga, what do you call one? Unsay mga ipang perform ba in a fiesta. Ana, go na ni kapatid. So, ka-active man kayo to. Mukuan dito. I think siya ang naka-assign sa mga event sa Mayahay. I'm not sure how it works. But I think he is. Kaya ngita man siya og kanang untay mga ipang what do you call that? Ipang pakulo ba? Para funny ang event. Nangat ako sa akong listahan sa stars, sa mga nagsanihog stars. Naamo ko inan na mudawat kami ni ahong Facebook account o ina na ang mga stars. Sure ba? I'm looking for the ones who sent stars to me. Also, one bit. Kung sa cellphone na makita, di mo makita sa laptop. Ato ba mo pugong laptop? That way I can see my face if tsakahan ba or de. Asa ka na makita ang mga stars? Uy! Professional dashboard ba to? Basta na ako ito yung mga nakuha ng mga stars. I think that was like last week. Ang sabi. Where can I see the list of stars using the laptop? Come on, uy. Salamat tayo sa mga nag-greet sa birthday ni Mama. She's 58 now. And she's still very, very young. Very active and young. Mother dear. Ang sunod na po mag-birthday kay si... Kinsa ba? February. Uy, ako sa March pohon. Mag-live taan na. Ay, 43 minutes na. Perfect. Ano isakto? Pagtunod ako sa oras. I'm looking for the area where I can see the stars. Hindi makita sa laptop, no? Silami, uy. Sa kuan sa Facebook. Sa mga nag-invite na ako to follow someone, I have to get back to you on that one. Because I don't want to be restricted in a day or two because I receive a lot of invitations to accept all those invitations. Ito siya. We'll have to do it a day at a time. One day at a time. Bagong picture ang kapatid. Very good, boy. Usahay. Tungod sa kanang weekly challenge sa Facebook nga kanang you have to have 40 followers a day, 50 followers a day. Ako na kung sungguon ako manghod nga bayot i-invite sa imong mga friendships diha to send invites about me. Just for me to gain like followers. Makatapot po sa high. I just started this thingy, I think last week of December or January, first day of December. That was when I had my live. No. First day of January. I did have live. I think last week of December I started this one. Video na. My goal is to do this for the whole year. Like almost every day you're gonna see my face. Like kung every day now I'm buhaton, but not the live, like mag-post lang. It would be irritating nasa inyong now, pero maning now, so okay ra. Jackie! Nga po Julius, ay chika na po tayo sa eleksyon, ani. Usura ba diha ron? Ang kahalang ang sauce ang kalima ang kuan. Garlic chili sauce. Garlic, prawn, chili sauce. Diyan ag-asin. Bring it on, ag-asin. Kinagmay lamang kayo basta marunong ta. Kita mo gadyo imo. Tinuod ba nga Ran Sarah Ran. Adyo padagan na kay ano. Masapiti unya. Na. Pabakta Sara. Naon sa ba? Wa pa mas Raulin? Asa mas Raulin? Uy? Masa may oras sa US yung magbalik tayo gabi pa man siguro. Asa na karon dapat Julius? Asa kang nga lugar? Ran, Sarah, ran. Ayaw naman po din yung i-impeach. Uy, naon sa mong i-impeach yung just Tita Sara, uy. Tita Sara G. Mga baga mo magnaon. Mo perma man lamang mo kay tungod sa dagkong budget nga inyong makuha. Ha, mga baga mo gnahon. Sakto ra gyud ang taga Ormoc. And kung dili ko sa mo perma ana. Kakamang naman ang taga Ormoc. Kalaso na ba nimo, Julius? Taguig City na. Taguig City. Hello, mga taga-Taguig. Na, pinainan na ba dyan? Hi, sa mga Taguig. Tagalog na di ay kadi. Ay! Maglisod ba ko Tagalog na? Tagalog. Ulagay Tagalog naman ang part. Nahihirapan ako sa kalusod pag Tagalog. My Tagalog sounds different. May very bisdak akong Tagalog. Parang very Bisaya ang Tagalog. Example ha. Asa sa kay muhunat sa ko. Selpip. Ay nag-IELTS ko before. Pasag ko ato. Katong general IELTS. Diyan expired na. Pag diri na ko, nag-selpip ko. Maro may sayon. Selpip. Sayon kaayo ang selpip. Kaya mangno kaon sa pag-exam na ho. Pinatungtong ragahong tiil nga kanang pinanaras bahay ba nga pag kanang pinainan na rag tiil. Minaw sidset. Anja speaking naman ko. Describe naman kung unsa imong makita. Mo to i-describe. Sayon na kayong selpip man. Basta imong speaking kay magpakapaka lang mo jud i-describe rin mo una. Ang tricky atong nga part kay katong reading. Pero ang technique ato sa genre. Minaw ka sa kuan. Sulit pra ka sayon. Bayad ko 2,350. Mahal po doy. Kailan naman ang 250 das Pinas. Trick kay ato katong listening o reading to. Ano na. Pero speaking o writing, basta sa kamaong mo lang kamo musuwat og letter kanang heading, body, ina na. Nga mga punctuation, takto. Very easy ra. Ang speaking di pinaka very easy. Jesus. Pero ang hambugan na nga sayon no. Pero ang home score 5 ram siguro to. Gamay ra. Mabo ra ang score. 6 do 6-5. Ano na, very mabo ra ang score. Ang kagi kami trabaho ato diretso ra mi exam. Wa nito nanay. Tuon pa kang mga oras. Diretso sabak sa exam. Basta ma-familiar rin mo kung unsay format sa exam. That's it. You're done. It will just be very easy. Pero nindot ito parang bright, ano. Katong time ka, wow, uy, dito namin ito eh. Hi, good GP. Perfect. Hapit na mo sa kaoras sa kong live. Very nice. Oras na yung kinahanglanon. Paano ko video? Double purpose ba? Murag mahurot lang yung duha ka manggahan. Umao maglasagod sa mayahay nga mangga. Nana reglasa. Sabay, mama reglasa. Kitib-kitib nagbaba. Of yun. Mga clam. Sunday, I think duty ka. Wa, isa lamang. Mga untag mangga. Pwede ko mga tag. Hinangol. Mga untag mangga pwede ko mga tag. Buang. Sumupong ko to mas kamera. Let's eat. I'm almost 1 hour. So po abtunig. Limit na magod ang live sa Facebook alam kayo. 8 hours. I don't think people can reach 8 hours kung sa live sa Facebook. Bang suga. Ang sinander siya. Yung sa battery. Is that? I just have to get battery. My lights. And I'm good lights. Lights, camera, action. Para maklaro ang ako ang nawang na food. I'm also watching my live sa what do you call the one sa laptop just to see how my face is. Oh my god, 1 hour and we've reached 1 hour and 1 minute. A little bit more. That's good. Because what I do is I download it from Facebook, put it in YouTube so I can have like an hour video. It's a double purpose thing. Because it's hard for me to like make 1 hour video just of anything if I don't have the topic. So if it's like this type of conversation, like this type of setup, I'm eating, so I can have a video for an hour. If it's longer, it's better, right? That serves as your like view. It's easy to get view from 1 hour video in YouTube. I mean, not the view, the number of hours for viewing. Basta na na way. Ano siya? Because I'm also working on my YouTube aside from my Facebook. So that's with my Instagram and my TikTok. TikTok is not that much. Like, I seldom I don't have the option to do live on TikTok with my current account, which is Justin Kanda Vlog. But if I reach like 1,000, I think 1,000 likes, I could have live for that. But for now, I'll stick onto Facebook because I can download this video if I wanted to. I have to. I've been on live for 1 hour and 3 minutes, which is perfect. And I'm almost done eating with my mango. And I can't do like same, and I can't upload like reuse same video in YouTube, so I have to like do it differently. It will still be the eating setup, but like, at least the content is like different. So this will be the how many minutes? 1 hour and 5 minutes. That's a very long one. But it doesn't look like that long because I started cutting the mango, this and that. If you happen to see this, try to like share it. Oh my gosh. Well, just share it though. And thank you for your reactions and comments. Highly appreciated. think I started doing this when I gained my confidence facing the camera. I had it before, like 2022. I've done making videos and this and that, but then we stopped because we don't know what to think of a content. Then when I came to Canada for a year, I don't have access to my TikTok up until I get to access my TikTok after a year. And then December last year, when Ray was like encouraging me to like go do video like this and like that, since you also like to do video, so go. Last week in December I started again. I didn't YouTube, as some of my videos are in YouTube already. I created a new one way back on, let me just check. I know I created a new account. I have to check it as to when was it. I think that was December 24. I gotta check when was it. And the comeback of doing video is overwhelming, though but I'm enjoying it. I don't complain because I'm happy with it. And new window. Dili new window. Patak-taka. If you see me every day, just hit like. If you see my face every day, just don't get annoyed. That's me. I will be posting every day. Almost every day. Like whatever content that I like. So I created a new YouTube account way back. December 17, 2024. So that's when I started like doing videos and all and this and that. And then videos in YouTube so that I can upload it. So I have the new account, which is Jessica in Canada Vlog. I'm gonna hang up. And then aside from uploading all my long videos in YouTube, I'm also trying to work on my Facebook. So that was last week of December, around December 24. No, around December 27, I guess. So I fixed my Facebook account, posted some of the videos and this and that, and then I received some stars in this. I was like, this is getting better. I didn't realize if I could have started this early before, I would have so much subscribers, but no, it's okay. That's where we start. So we learn. We have to start again. Now I have 1 minute and 10 seconds. 1 hour and 10 seconds. So, I'm not sure. And I also like phasing, like watching my face in a video. I have a big insecurities in my face, especially my teeth. It's not even. But I don't care at all. Like, I can post my face or look in the video with confidence, which is good. And di na ako mauwaw. Like, nawa na ang uwas. Oh no. Unless magatubang ko sa akong crush. Kaya di ko ka-istorya niya. I mean, I can't tell him na crush na ko siya. So, yun na ra. Napadong na po lobat ang cellphone. Right na naman ako. WhatsApp. Sorry na. So. Kaya karon pa na kita ang mga reaksyon na unsa man ni ang cellphone. Maaman ni na po dumak. No. Masa siya. Nakakadali na. Good for 1 hour and 1 hour and 30 minutes. See ya, everyone. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. Goodbye.